Yo. Okay, so we're outside. We're FaceTiming. And we just flew our first drone. It's so sick. The sun's setting. Done a lot of time.
Did you get a drone?
It's not mine. I just have it for a little while, so I'm trying to play with it.
Oh, they're really cool.
It's so fun. Hi, these are my neighbors. That's it. It's a Phantom 4.
I'm really scared this bag.
Super nice.
Dive with a whale shark tank attached to Aquatots is a scoop.
Look at these spinny things. This on the side is a little button compartment. I use a thumbtack. I attach the remote this way. Okay, how do you set this up? You go on your handy dandy phone here, open the DJI 4 app. It's disconnected. Put your phone on the control, press link remote controller, you turn this on. You hold it down, it turns it on. That's not connected, it'll turn green. Now that's green, now that's green, that's good. Let's take off, slide this here button.
Hello, I'm not where I'm supposed to be.
This is actually my second flight, so I'm a little bit experienced with this. Button on the side brings it up, brings it down. So cool. And that's how you do it.